The Soundcore Sport X10 True Wireless Earbuds are amazing. I have nothing to complain about. They are the complete package for people who live active lifestyles, and they have good sound quality for those who don't. They also have IPX7 water resistance, which means you don't have to worry about getting these wet. Plus, you get ANC. Now, question here. Are these better than other sport earbuds? I don't know, because these are the only sport earbuds that I have. Do these have strong ANC? Well, you're going to find out in this video. Now, when it comes to the extra features on the Sport X10, the Soundcore app is a big help, and it is full of customization for the controls. So I'm going to open it up and take the earbuds out the case, and they are connected here. Now click on this panel, and this is what the Soundcore app will look like when you have the Sport X10 buds. This is pretty much the main page. They also added this new panel or new section for breathing. This is for you to decompress after a workout or right before you're about to warm up to go running and go back. Now when you click on the cog here, as you can see, there you go. Boom. Wind noise reduction is on by default. Runners and joggers, here's your earbuds right here. You come to the right place. Now, moving on to the controls, and these do have some pretty good controls. Let me click on that. You get three main functions that you can customize for the left and the right earbuds. Now, everything in here is by default. I didn't change anything. You can't customize the press once function, but you can customize press twice, and you can customize the hold for 2 seconds. So you can customize the controls for ANC. And as you can see here, I got normal mode, I got noise cancellation, and I got transparency mode turned on. So one more, hope you're taking notes on this portion of my video. And due to the customization of the controls, I'm going to give them, I did have them as a 4 out of 5, but I'm going to give the controls a 5 out of 5, because this is pretty much all you need right here. I wish there was a press 3 times. Let me see how I got it set up. For press twice, I got previous track on the left earbud, and pause and play is only on the right, and then hold for 2 seconds. Next track, wait a minute. Okay, previous track on the left. Okay, so my track selection is on the left, and then I pretty much got it split up. But if I want to, I can hit that button right there and reset it and change it. These are pretty good. Now, when it comes to the fit and comfort, now I've heard from most people the fit isn't that great, but for me, for my ears, they're good. I mean, all you have to do is they have these ear hooks that they rotate at 180 to 200, I think, no, 210 degrees. So not a full 360, it's a 210. So you just pull it out like that. You put the earbud in your ear first, and then you take this portion and you run it behind your ears. And also, I'm wearing glasses. Like, I've had no problems with the fit. I like the oval shape. I like that these come with buttons as opposed to touch sensors, which was a good choice by Soundcore. The ear hooks, they have really good memory. I'm gonna pull it. I'm trying to pull it straight. Boom, it bounces right back. The best fit is to try out all the different silicone tips. Let me open them up, because getting extra small, large, and extra large, and these are the medium ones that come on the earbuds by default. Try all of them out. If they still don't work for you, then move to some third-party tips. They don't irritate me at all. The stock tips don't. I was using SpinFit CP1025s, these right here. I was using these, but I took them off and went back to the stock tips, because Soundcore, hell, they give you the option to customize them, so you might as well use them. But I would not sleep in these, especially if you are a side sleep. Fit for my ears, for me, is going to be a 5 out of 5. So how good is the ANC? In my opinion, after the update, it's much better. The strength, to me, is like an ANC mild, which is fine when you start playing music. Now, car engines and air conditioners, they get the sound, that noise gets dampened, but voices will seep through. Because of that, I'll give the ANC a 3 out of 5. The ambient sound on these is alright. You know, I can hear my surroundings okay, but there is this like processed noise that's present. Now, human voices I can hear clearly as well. I'll also give the ambient sound, a 3 out of 5. Now, battery life. When it comes to earbuds, Soundcore seems to be leading. They're in the lead when it comes to battery, because the Soundcore X10 will give you 8 hours on the earbuds, and they'll give you 32 hours on the case. That's in normal mode. Now in ANC and ambient mode, with the ANC is on by default when you first pair these up to your phone, just subtract 2 hours on the earbuds, and that's roughly what you'll get. And also, I don't listen at like 50% of volume level. I'm usually between 70 to 75% volume. So the battery life is really, really good. Also, you're not getting any Qi wireless charging on these, unfortunately, but that's cool. So battery life on the X10, 4 out of 5. Moving on, I'm going to talk about my favorite segment in my earbuds. It's ear bleed time. Now, because the X10s come equipped with ANC and ambient and normal mode, I tested them in those modes first. So the peak decimal level in ANC is 115.5 dB. Next is ambient mode. The peak decimal level is 114.2 dB. And last, normal mode. The peak decimal level is 113.8 dB. So there's definitely an EQ shift whenever you're switching between the different noise modes. In my opinion, 100 to 15 to 113 being the lowest, that's fine. That's more than enough. That's like a subway train. I wouldn't listen to these at max volume when you're working out, unless you want to blow your eardrums out. I mean, it's up to you. You do whatever you want. Now, sound quality. The main attraction of these earbuds is the bass, specifically the mid bass. That slam is so intoxicating to hear when you're listening to rap, pop, and R&B music, and rock. Now, going back to the Soundcore app, I am going to go to the equalizer here. So it's right underneath the breathe function, or the breathe section. And you're getting 2 equalizers. You can do default, which is Soundcore's signature, which is pretty much a warm sound, or you can go custom like I have it right here. Now, I took a picture of these on Reddit and shared it, and someone replied with this EQ. If you want, you can, pause the video and take a picture of this. So this is what I've been using. Normally I don't really EQ earbuds, but I had to EQ these because this EQ right here is really good. Also, if you go into Soundcore's signature, you got bass up, and this is where all your presets live. Now, turning that on, that gives you extra bass. Now, without this turned on, you're still getting plenty of bass. But here's all the EQ presets. It's pretty standard. The same as what One More is doing, but these are a little more, how would you describe it? It's not so discombobulated. A lot of the EQs on the One More's app, they just don't make any damn sense. I mean, these are pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, you look at them and you know what music they'll work with, or the presets will work with that particular kind of music. Now, going back to the custom one, this is pretty good. I don't know who gave me this EQ, but wherever you are, I hope you're enjoying good food, good music, and good sex, because this works for me. I'm getting plenty of bass, I'm getting some good mids, and I'm getting some good treble as well. It's not sibilant sounding. It's not harsh. It's not shrill. The vocals, male and female, sound natural. These earbuds are a dub. You know what I mean? You get a comfortable fit. You're getting great sound. You're getting a whole lot of battery life. And I think the price on these is going down because Soundcore should be doing some Black Friday deals. So now I'm going to end the video with a mic test, quiet environment, loud environment. I'm going to let you be the judge of the microphones. This is a mic test of the Soundcore Sport X10 in a quiet room, no ambient background noise playing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And this is the Sport X10 with background noise playing in the background. As always, you tell me how the microphone sounds down in the comments below. That being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.